Welcome back, home enthusiasts. We're in the home and we're here to help you decide which folding beds to buy today. As always, don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mention are in the description down below. Folding beds are a convenient option for overnight guests since they give you an extra bed in an instant. Typically resting on a folding frame, this type of bed tends to feature foam or innerspring mattresses that are folded in half for secure storage. In this video, we will show you the top 5 picks of folding beds that will suit any home and budget. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The folding beds that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish and price, and where possible, we have been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the number 1 position on our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the home, especially if you're interested in more informational, list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The folding bed coming in at number 5 on our list is the JB Saver Folding Cot Bed. The JB Saver Folding Cot Bed is the perfect bed for small areas. A noticeable aspect of the JB folding bed is its thick 6 inches tufted innerspring mattress. This is comfortable whether for personal use or entertaining guests. The frame, which is constructed from hardy angled steel, is easy to expand. An automated leg opening mechanism will save you a lot of time and effort when it comes to assembling folding beds. Even on tough terrain, where smaller wheels can get trapped, the 8-inch and 5-inch wheels of the JB Saver folding cot bed perform well by being easily moved. Despite this addition of a thick mattress, angled steel and larger wheels, this folding bed weighs only 75 pounds and it is still effortlessly transportable. It comes with a lifetime warranty, which helps to justify its expensive price. JB fiber is also 100% recyclable after use, allowing for you to dispose of your mattress safely. The JB fiber mattress also fits in nicely with the J-Tex sprung-based system to provide total body support for a well-balanced and restful night's sleep. The J-Tex sprung foundation system, which is supported using high-tension springs, performs as well as standard permanent mattresses. It is designed to be stretch-resistant and long-lasting. The JB Saver folding cot bed is lightweight and simple to assemble. It can be folded and stored almost anywhere because of its compact form. The team felt this was a perfect addition to your home if you expect to regularly entertain, stay over guests, and so this made it onto the top 5 list. The folding bed coming in at number 4 on our list is the LUCID Rollaway Folding Bed. The aluminium frame and the spring-supported deck of the LUCID Rollaway folding bed gave a quiet, comfortable foundation for the mattress to sit on. The thing that our team liked about this bed is that it's easy to assemble. It also comes with caster wheels for quick and easy moving in and out of storage. It has a sturdy powder-coated steel frame that radiates a sense of toughness. The 11-inch clearance provided by this heavy-duty steel frame allows your guests to effortlessly stow bags below. The comfort of the foldable beds has been highly praised by customers. This is remarkable given that the mattress's simple design, which consists of 3 inches of polyfoam above 1 inch of memory foam. Even sensitive skin will appreciate the bamboo rayon cover. CertiPure US certification ensures that the memory foam mattress does not contain any harmful substances that could be harmful to children if they inhale them. In comparison to wire mesh or wooden slat bases, a spring-supported poly deck beneath the mattress provides more comfort. While there haven't been any big complaints about the design or durability of the product, we did come across a few concerns about production defects like missing wheels. The bed, on the other hand, comes with a good 10-year warranty, which covers you from such issues. The LUCID Rollaway folding bed is a compact bed that rolls up easily for storage. The team felt that this option is great for anyone looking for a small rollaway bed solution for their home. The folding bed coming in at number 3 on our list is the Inofia Memory Foam Tri-Fold Mattress. The 1.5-inch memory foam layer and the 2.5-inch foam base are used to create the Inofia Memory Foam Tri-Fold Mattress. It's available in twin, full or queen sizes with a choice of 4 or 6 inches. This mattress is extremely sturdy and will not deform when you sleep on it. It offers a relaxing night's sleep in a range of locations. This mattress allows you to get a restful night's sleep no matter where you are. It's also thick, plush, soft, breathable, and easy to put together. For a good night's sleep, simply unfold the memory foam bed on the floor in any room. The sides of the mattress are made of mesh-like material that promotes airflow and cool sleeping. Our team found that the bamboo mattress cover has a non-slip bottom and can be washed separately. It is simple to store when not in use, and it can also be folded neatly to fit into a small area in your closet or a corner. The 3 panels of the Inofia folding mattress fold in 2 configurations for optimal ventilation and temperature regulation while you sleep. The CertiPure US certified memory foam that is used in the foldable mattress is free of toxins and chemicals. The Inofia memory foam tri-fold mattress is the ideal solution for temporary sleeping arrangements, making it great for unexpected sleepover visitors or family reunions, camping or traveling, or living in a dorm. This folding bed is suitable for guests of any age or size, and its portability makes it even more convenient to store when not in use. The folding bed coming in at number 2 on our list is the Night and Day Furniture Murphy Cube Cabinet Bed. Night and Day Furniture Cherry Finished Murphy Cube Cabinet Bed is a credenza-style cabinet with a convenient top surface. The cube foldable bed has the same features as a traditional Murphy bed, but it is shaped like a wooden cabinet. When it is folded, this cabinet takes up about 10 square feet and has 6 inches of gel memory foam. In just a few minutes, you can transform a seemingly ordinary chest into a huge queen mattress with this bed. The cabinet also contains pillows and sheets. When the bed is folded up, the sturdy top surface of this foldable bed allows the display of a large television or other decorations. This Murphy cabinet bed is a less expensive, more economical alternative to typical Murphy wall beds, and it does not require a complicated assembly or wall fastening. Its compact design means it takes up less space than larger cabinet beds. At the time of making this video, our crew team found that the Cube Murphy cabinet bed has a limited 10-year warranty, while its accompanying mattress has a limited 3-year warranty. In addition, any piece of furniture that is defective in the material or workmanship will be repaired or replaced by Night and Day Furniture. The Murphy Cube cabinet bed transforms into a fully functional guest bed in seconds. This cabinet bed was an instant hit in our team, so we're sure it will be one too in your home. The cherry finish on premium choice wood gives it a more conventional and high-end look. It converts your living room or dining room into a bedroom in seconds while leaving it open to the rest of your family. And finally, we come to the number 1 folding bed on our list, the Best Choice Products Thick Folding Portable Queen Mattress. The soft yet firm high-density foam in this portable queen mattress gives optimal comfort and padding. It also keeps dust, pollen, pet dander, dampness, and other contaminants out of your mattress. This mattress serves a variety of functions. It works well as a guest bed, a comfortable camping bed, or a floor sofa for movie evenings and get-togethers with friends and family. Our team was really impressed by its size, which will help you save a lot of space in your room. It only measures 60 inches long, 26.7 inches wide, and 16 inches tall. This folding bed is really simple to use. To keep the portable tri-fold mattress clean and secure while traveling, simply put the provided carrying bag over it and zip it up. You should also open the package in a well-ventilated area to discharge the harmless odor, which will be gone completely after a few hours. This folding bed has 2 built-in handles for easy movement and can fold up to 3 times for compact storage. For easy care and maintenance, the foldable bed's removable cover is machine washable and dryer friendly. Best Choice Products offers products that will fit in any family, whether it's just you or a whole family. When visitors come over, this folding bed can be used as a bed, or it can be set up as a couch or chair while gaming. Considering all the features for the price, it was a no-brainer for the team to make this bed the number 1 option of our top 5 countdown. And there you have it, folks, the 5 folding beds which got our team in the home excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next folding beds roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we will be sure to look it over for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our homes great. We look forward to seeing you in the home again soon.